me out, guys. I'm waiting. Chill, swiper.
Hi, guys.
About time, Sal. You ready?
Ready.
Okay, guys, let's do it. Cat, Antoine, you guys cover our backs. Any bots show up, give us the signal. Any questions?
Yes, I'm having a question. What if...
Cool. I'm out of here. Let's lock and load, Sal. Bon voyage!
Good luck!
What is all this stuff?
It's the brains of the plane.
And you're gonna do a little brain surgery, right?
More or less. First, I break the access code, get into Robotnik's mainframe computer, and reprogram the launch data.
Then kaboom! These stealth butts are lunching, yes?
They're luncheon, yes. Nicole.
Ready, Sally.
Access main database.
Password, Sally.
Run decoding program for X. Sonic, do you mind?
Not very well. Dogs mind, not hedgehogs.
Well, show a little patience.
Hey, patients are for hospitals. We're in robo country, and that makes me itchy. Whoa! Hurry it up, Sal. Party crasher's coming.
Incoming message.
Bean?
Oh my gosh, Sonic, my father called me Bean when I was little. Nicole, give me message origin.
Sal, we gotta put the pedal to the metal.
I have to check this out. It may be from my father.
Message origin, Area 12, Sector 9, Quadrant 32.
The dark swamp?
What is taking them from so long?
Those computers can be tricky. Relax, Antoine.
Relax? Yes. A very good idea.
Oh, man, Ant did it again. Look, Sal, when I juice, jam for the air duct. I'll meet you at the usual place.
Be careful, Sonic.
Yo, SWAT butts. How about a little laser tag? You're it.
I'm seducing my princess.
Yo, SWAT butts. Are you Wonder Weasel looking for me? I'm the only one around.
Here comes trouble.
It's Sonic.
What happened, Antoine?
It was not my fault. Kat said I should relax, and I leaned against the...
Yo, where's Cat?
He was right behind us in the tunnel, and then we lost him.
SWAT bots must have busted him. I'm juicing back.
Sonic, I'm sure that message was from my father. I'm going to the dark swamp and find him. Antoine can come with me.
Antoine?
Yes, Antoine.
You're kidding, right?
I'm kidding. Wrong.
Wrong?
Right.
Right or wrong?
You're wrong. I'm right, as usual.
Excuse me while I chunk my breakfast.
Whatever. Come on, Antoine.
Yo, Sal. Soon as I find Cat, I'll blast for the swamp. Be mondo careful.
You too, Sonic.
Gotta juice it loose.
Snively. How did the hedgehog get past all my security?
Through an air duct, Dr. Robotnik.
An air duct.
Yes, sir.
Then seal it off!
Yes, sir. One more thing, sir. We captured a freedom fighter.
Oh, that's good. That's very, very good, Snively. Where is he?
Bring in the prisoner.
Tell me where not all is, old boy. And you have my word that you will not be roboticized.
I'm telling you nothing about nothing, Robotnik.
Oh, I wouldn't be so sure about that, old boy. I have machines of all kinds. Marvelous machines. They can do things you would not believe.
Hang in, cat. Cat! You all right?
Robotnik's surveillance picked up Sally. He knows she's headed for the dark swamp. You gotta save her.
But what about you?
Doesn't matter. Go, Sonic! Go!
Not to worry, cat. I'll be back.
How much more farther, my princess?
We'll know when we get there, Antoine. Antoine, what's wrong?
1,000 pardons, my princess.
Are you all right? You're trembling.
Not trembling, my princess. Shivering. Oh, yes, I must have catched them. You say, achoo! A terrible cold. I think we should return to Natal.
No, Antoine. My father is alive. I know it. And I'm going to find him.
But we're having no idea where he is.
Nicole, is there any kind of structure in the dark swamp?
Searching. One structure. Ironlock prison. Schematic display.
Ironlock prison? Oh, no. Come on, Antoine.
But princess, wait!
Oh, man, I hate swamps. Oof. They're full of bugs and junk. Juice time. Sally! Bummer. Whoa. Yeah, now we're getting somewhere. Dr. Robotnik, we have the hedgehog. He's in the dark swamp.
He's looking for the princess. A possible doubleheader. Launch the stealth bots.
Yes, sir.
How much farther, my princess?
Any minute, Antoine.
Sacre bleu! Is that...
Yes, Ironlock. Nicole, give me all data on Ironlock.
Searching, Sally. Built in 1543. Abandoned 100 years ago. No other data.
Whoa! Hedgehog missile alert failing warp 7. Time to dust one stealth bot.
My princess, I'm thinking this is not safe.
Don't be such a worrywart, Antoine.
No! Are you all right, my princess?
I'm fine.
Princess! All right, princess, run! Come on, Antoine. That's right. Come on, Sally. Pull up. Princess, I am hating to be such a, how you say, such a worrywart. But this terrible place is not so good for our health. I am thinking this is so. We go home, yes?
We go home? No, Antoine. If my father is in there, I'm going to find him. Is that clear?
Oui, my princess, very clear, but...
No buts, Antoine. Now let's go. Antoine!
Oui, princess, here I am. I am right behind you, princess.
That's comforting.
Right behind you, Sal.
My princess, maybe I'm thinking we should...
Antoine, look!
What is it?
It's from my father's cloak. I recognize the design. He was here. Come on!
Hello. It was just a clever way to get in your arms, my princess.
Whoa, Mondo spooky.
Antoine, my father was in here.
This is good, yes?
What are you doing up there, Ant?
Sonic,
What's up, Sal?
look what I found.
A computer, so?
My father must have sent me those messages from this computer.
Looks real ancient. Does it work?
I don't know. Keep your fingers crossed. Yes!
Access code, please.
Try Bean.
Stand by for message. Bean. Check subter file. Impossible. End of message.
That's definitely from my father. Somehow he knew I'd find it.
Fantastic! What does it mean?
He didn't finish the message. But at least now I know he's alive. I just don't know where. Computer, access subter file.
Checking subter file.
Guys, look at this. Do you know what these maps do? They give us access to all of Robotropolis.
Check out the tunnels. Man, I didn't know they existed.
Ready, Sally.
Access main database.
Accessing. Password, Sally.
Subter.
Nicole, get the old data out.
Access granted.
Transfer to holographic disk.
Hey, what's going on?
Oh, terrible! What happened?
That dumb cell was booby-trapped is what happened.
But what is this place?
Ew. Whatever it is, it sure stinks. Okay, you guys, hang here. I'm gonna scope out that red light.
Sonic, are you okay?
Wherever we go, we can't go that way.
Why not?
That's why.
Oh my gosh, what is it?
Someone you never want to marry. Plus, he's in a bad mood.
But that's our only way out.
What are we going to do?
Ask about his mother. Maybe he's not such a bad guy. No, he's rotten to the core. I've got an idea. Sal, grab the power ring. Okay, I hold up my hand, slap it in.
Got it.
Juice time. Hold on. Chill, guys. Everything's cool.
Sonic, how did you know it was Robotnik?
The hedgehog knows.
But now I am thinking we have another problem. How do we get the hex out of here?
Nicole, bring up Bean.
I'm waiting.
I have a great idea. We'll take that tunnel.
Whoa, way cool.
According to those maps, we should be very close.
To what?
You'll see. Follow that light source. Let's go. Done. That's the last one. These stealth bots are history.
I got one more thing to do. Meet you guys at the usual. Got it, Juice? Cat?
Intruder alert. Detention building. Intruder alert.
Consider yourself terminated, Hedgehog.
He's launching the stealth bots.
News at 11.
What is this? Snively? Recall them!
Yes, sir.